We envision robot-assisted medical exams in which auscultation is performed. This is a challenging task since during auscultation, human doctors need to identify anatomical landmarks and cope with bones and body fat, which might affect sound quality. As a first step toward automatic robot auscultation, we developed an automated system that gauges sound quality and picks auscultation locations to achieve high enough quality to identify symptoms of disease. Here is an overview of our method. In the offline phase, we train long and hard sound quality estimators from a custom dataset of stethoscope recordings. In the online phase, we first perform visual registration and create a prior sound quality map. Then we search for high-quality sounds using Bayesian optimization, where a residual Gaussian process model maps the sound quality across the patient surface. The use of the prior sound quality map guides a search of Bayesian optimization and reduces the number of observations needed. Notice that we define a search region for each relevant registered location, shown as the green circles. Bayesian optimization searches for the optimal sound qualities in each of these regions, and the posterior quality map is shown here with green dots at the observed locations. We use a trainer robot to perform auscultation experiments, which is a bimanual mobile manipulator with swappable end effectors, and we installed a digital stethoscope. We compare our method against two baselines. In the first baseline, an operator was trained both for auscultation and teleoperation, performs auscultation using VR controllers. In the second baseline, the robot only auscultates at the registered locations after visual registration. Here we compare the results of preliminary experiments. In our method, we are using upper confidence bond as the acquisition function. The termination criteria is the threshold for the difference between the acquisition function value and the current observed maximum. The table lists the time spent on visual registration, time spent on auscultating hard and long, the total number of auscultation actions, and the average best found qualities in each region. We note that the qualities here are not estimator estimations, but labeled manually. The robot performs auscultation much faster than human teleoperator, and using Bayesian optimization, we're able to obtain better sound qualities than the baselines. In the results shown here, Bayesian optimization spends a lot of time auscultating the lawn, and since the time of this workshop poster, we have improved this problem by using a parametric prior quality map and a fixed budget as the termination criteria. Our current work involves building the quality estimator training dataset with labels from medical professionals and performing experiments on human subjects with various body types. We're currently preparing a manuscript to IAL.